Years of experience with service in the IM, Chinook has formed the backbone of the sport of since those early days, still going to with an ability to fly nearly 25 tons. That was the same as 2 double-decker buses. But despite its heavy lift capability, Chinook offers impressive manoeuvrability, as you're about to see as Luke is going to position the roller coaster. Set up for an offset over. Synonymous with UK operating fire decades on ground forces in Afghanistan. In particular, the medical emergency response vehicle, birds operating from Chinook, were responsible for saving hundreds of UK military lives on the battlefield. Now running on the right, carrying another wing over. There's the pull up, the right hand roll. Now watch as the nose drops, the speed comes on, generating a distinctive sound as the Chinook rotates. The aircraft being flown today is Zulu Hotel 893, that's the Chinook Flight 4. It comes from a fleet of around 60 Chinooks, all based at IF Podium in Hampshire.
You were injured, that would be hell of a sound to hear that knowing you were.
Knowing you were, yeah.
He was coming
I was
to get
thinking
you.
that myself.
No, but it's, you get a lot of troops in there.
Now as Luke gets the aircraft back into ground centre, for those of you that enjoyed the roller coaster, here is another nose over. That aircraft nose will come up to approximately 50 degrees as the speed will wash off down to 0. All on his own. He has a full crew and an engineering support team to make this all happen. Luke is now going to perform low level orbits to show how the side of the aircraft supervised fuel of up to 12 tons. may be heavy, but Luke will now show just how quickly that aircraft can be stopped using the nose down quick stop. Like many other manoeuvres you see today, this one's been developed as a way of operating the aircraft as safely as possible in a high threat environment.
Brave pilots, because they're always in at the front line.
So now it's time to say hello to the third member of today's crew. The aircraft cabin today is Sergeant Steve Jenkins. Make sure you give him a big wave, ladies and gentlemen, as he waves as he goes by. Chinook is known for being a powerful helicopter. Now loosen changes from the climb. Pull in the collective lever, increase torque to near 100%.
The backstab was waving.
Luke does this, and listen to the gearbox is wide as the aircraft soars to about 800 feet. In the climb, we've got to find 11 levels to compensate the manoeuvre, and complete the manoeuvre called the cornies. Took a sport in Bosnia where Chinooks operated during Operation Scramble. Luke will lower the collective and begin to spiral descent back down to 100 feet. Today, the Chinook force continues to carry out UK defensive missions and tasks 365 days a year, operating in 14 environments: desert, jungle, Arctic and maritime all over the world. Number 7, 18 and 27 squadrons, all of which operate the Chinook. Supporting those squadrons is a huge number of personnel, from engineers to chefs, logisticians to RAF regiment. Without them, none of this would be possible. As the crew run in for their final manoeuvre, the Royal Air Force Chinook display team would like to make a special mention to Mr. and Mrs. Gareth Thomas from Chinook in Swansea, who are here today celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary. Congratulations to you both. We hope you enjoy this special day. Gentlemen, that brings us to the end of our demonstration. It has been an absolute privilege to display for you here today at Swansea, and we hope you've enjoyed what the Chinook has to offer. The crew are going to say goodbye the best way they know how, so please leave them a big wave. We say thank you, goodbye from the 2016 Royal Air Force Chinook display team.
if you saw that thing coming towards you and you were hurt, you'd be happy, wouldn't it?
Dan, thanks very much, and pass on our regards.